Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word collegians. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The football team was made up of talented collegians from universities across the country. Collegians refers to students attending or affiliated with a college or university, often used in the context of sports or extracurricular activities. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.